In this video, I'm diving deep into the Huntington Bankshares website to explore their FHA, VA, and USDA home loan options. As soon as you land on the homepage, you're met with a clean and professional interface. The mortgage section is easy to find via the main navigation menu. And once you're there, Huntington does a decent job of breaking down the three loan types. However, the site lacks some detailed explanations you'd expect, especially for first-time buyers or those unfamiliar with government-backed loan options. For FHA loans, Huntington outlines some core benefits like lower down payments and credit flexibility, but you have to dig through a few sub-pages to find specific qualification criteria or estimated interest rates. It would have been helpful to include a comparison tool or calculator directly within the FHA section. The application button is clear and leads to a streamlined pre-qualification form, though it asks for quite a bit of personal data up front before giving any estimate or feedback. Moving on to VA loans, the site highlights zero down payment and no PMI, which is standard for VA, but again, the information feels a bit too brief. There's little mention of eligibility specifics, like service duration or acceptable discharge conditions. For veterans or active duty personnel browsing this site, Huntington could certainly do more to clarify requirements up front instead of relying on users to call a loan officer. USDA loans are probably the most underrepresented on the site. While Huntington does offer them, the content is sparse, with no map to or property eligibility checker linked directly. That's a missed opportunity because USDA loans are highly location sensitive, and knowing if a property qualifies is a huge factor. Many other useful links you can find in the description. A major plus is that the site is mobile friendly, and the mortgage info loads quickly across devices. Huntington's customer service options are also visible throughout the process, with options to chat or schedule a call. One downside I noticed during this review is the lack of transparency on closing costs and lender fees. There's no fee schedule, and while they suggest you speak with a loan officer, users comparing lenders online would expect more upfront disclosures. Another important point is the customer reviews. While the site doesn't host them directly, a quick external search shows mixed feedback. Some praise fast processing times, while others mention delays and unclear communication after submitting paperwork. That's something to consider if you're looking for a seamless experience. At the end of the day, Huntington Bankshares offers all three major government-backed loan types, but the website leans more toward a marketing page than an educational resource. If you're already familiar with loan terms and just want to start an application, it works. But if you're trying to learn, compare options, and decide what's best for your situation, you'll likely need to do some additional research elsewhere. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment with your experience or questions.